Starting up a dragon fruit farm is not as easy as you think. Before you start, make sure you do a lot of research. Land preparation and mature high-quality cuttings are essential for dragon fruit to grow fast and healthy. Before you start planting your cuttings, make sure you do a soil test to establish the pH of soil. Dragon fruit respond better to slightly acidic soil. This will tell you if you need to add minerals to the soil. The first 6 months are crucial because at this stage you will know if your dragon fruit will start fruiting at 8 months, assuming it is the harvesting season. The healthier your dragon fruit is, the earlier they will produce fruits. It's important that you add compost to the soil when you plant your cuttings. After 2 weeks, apply complete and organic fertilizer for stable growth. In 2 months, your dragon fruit will look like this in the photograph. Remove the excess stem that is growing away from the post. Leave 2 stems to grow and secure it to the post. Water every 10 to 15 days depending on the weather. In our area, during summer or hot weather, we water our plants every 4 days. When the tip of the stem is on the top of the post or tire, remove the end to encourage stem growth. Leave 3 to 5 stems from the main stem to encourage it to grow into a canopy. In the photo of the 5-month-old dragon fruit, you will notice that the plant is above the tire. After 6 months, they will start to form a canopy. Continue the checking and maintenance regime to avoid threats from ants and fungus. Do this on a regular basis. Organic fertilizer is applied liberally at the base of the post, while inorganic fertilizer, such as 14-14-14, is applied 3 to 5 inches away from the base of the plant to avoid contact with the stem. Frequency of fertilizer application varies according to personal judgment. Dragon fruit is very responsive to soil and foliar fertilizer. The correct amount and quantity depends on the plants. Happy planting and good luck!